This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee gold full guide. Begin by measuring 18 grams of coffee and heating water to 93 degrees C. Then grind to medium fine and bloom for 30 seconds with 40 grams of water. Pour slowly in concentric circles to reach 300 grams total. Let it drain and taste. Adjust grind or dose to refine sweetness, acidity, and body to your preference. In this video, I will show how to make coffee gold full guide. Prep means clean equipment, a consistent burr grinder, and preheated brewer and cup to avoid heat loss. Measure coffee and water on a scale and set a timer for accurate pours. Consistency beats guessing. Fresh beans and proper storage preserve aromatics, so adjust grind and brew time by small increments to dial in your ideal cup. In this video, I will show how to make coffee gold full guide. Quick recommendation: if your car smells like yesterday's commute, grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, confidence-boosting scent that pairs well with a perfect cup. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make coffee gold full guide. Start with a 30-second bloom using 40 grams of water, then pour in controlled pulses to reach 300 grams total while keeping a steady flow. Monitor brew time and adjust grind or water temperature slightly if extraction feels off. Keep notes on each change so you can reproduce the exact cup that matches your taste preferences tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.